Moment in the mirror, acknowledging the voice of doubt. The first step, naming the fear and taking small action. The power of posture, how your body shapes your mind. The rehearsal of success, visualization and momentum. The gentle path forward, building confidence as a daily practice, written by Jay Shetty. Section 1. The moment in the mirror, acknowledging the voice of doubt. You stand before the mirror. The world outside fades away, just you and your reflection. Your breath is shallow, caught in your chest. You feel the heavy weight of a familiar doubt settle over your shoulders. A voice whispers, suspiciously like your own. You cannot do this, it insists. They will laugh at you. You are not ready for this moment. You are not good enough. These words echo between you and the glass. They make you want to freeze, to turn away. This pause is not a failure. It is a beginning. A crossroads thousands face every day. The person in the gym hesitating to lift a weight. The artist afraid to show their work. The professional second-guessing their voice in a meeting. The reflection shows the fear that holds you captive. But it can also show something else. It can reveal a choice. You have the power to decide what happens next. You can let doubt dictate your path. Or, with gentle intention, begin to change your story. The first truth: this feeling is normal. It doesn't mean you're weak. It means you're on the verge of growth. Doubt is a signal that what you do matters. Recognize it as a misguided friend, not truth. Thank it, then choose to act with compassion. Look again at your reflection. See the person who's overcome challenges before. Remember when you were scared and still did the thing. The mirror shows your fear and your resilience. It shows eyes that have seen joy. It shows eyes that have seen sorrow. It shows the strength that brought you here. The transformation begins now, not with a burst of fearlessness, but with a quiet, conscious decision to take one small step, and with a single gentle breath. Section 2. The first step, naming the fear and taking small action. The first step toward reclaiming your power is to give the negative self-talk a name. When you hear that inner critic whisper, "I am going to fail," do not let the thought drift by unchallenged. Bring it into the light. Acknowledge it clearly. There is that voice again, the one that says, "I will fail." By naming it, you create a separation between you and the thought. Observe the thought instead of becoming it, and it begins to lose its power. Counter its grand fear with one incredibly small, manageable action. Big fear is defeated by small, consistent wins. Each small success builds a bridge of evidence over the chasm of doubt. A small action is a gentle disruption. It can be as simple as a single, deep, grounding breath to calm your nervous system, or putting on your running shoes, even if you don't leave the house. These actions are the quiet beginnings of momentum. Make the action so small it feels effortless, too easy to say no to. This is how you retrain your brain, showing yourself that you can feel fear and still move forward, one small, deliberate choice at a time. Your mind and body are in a constant conversation. The way you hold your body can change your thoughts, a powerful tool for shifting from doubt to confidence. When you feel anxious, your body contracts, reinforcing vulnerability. To break the cycle, change your body language first. Stand tall, roll your shoulders back, and open your chest. Holding an expansive posture for just a couple of minutes can increase feelings of power and lessen stress. Your body sends a new message. I am safe. I am capable. Warm up your confidence with posture. Before a difficult conversation, stand tall in private. This graceful act declares you will occupy your space and stand firm in your value. Another powerful tool is the theater of your mind. Visualization is a focused mental rehearsal for success. Before a challenging event, take 5 minutes to close your eyes and imagine the process unfolding exactly as you hope. Engage all your senses. Feel the solid ground beneath your feet. Notice your hands are steady. Imagine the moment of success. Hear your voice, calm and clear. Feel the accomplishment. By rehearsing success in your mind, you create a positive memory of an event that hasn't happened yet. You are training your neural pathways, making the real action feel less intimidating. When it's time to perform, your mind already has a blueprint. After mental rehearsal, take one small, real-world action. Ask a question at a meeting. Try a new exercise. Each action in the face of fear adds evidence to your "I can do it" file. Bad days will come. You'll face rejection. You'll stumble. That isn't a sign to stop. It's part of the path. The key is to get back up, because each return makes you stronger. To make this shift last, be kind to yourself. Your inner dialogue is the soundtrack to your life, and you have the power to change the song. Notice the harsh words you use and consciously replace them with gentle ones. Instead of, "I can't believe I messed that up," try, "That didn't go as planned, and I learned something." Swap. "I am not good enough" for "I am learning, and I will try again tomorrow." Imagine a student receiving a rejection email. They feel the disappointment, then stand up, stretch, and begin searching for a new opportunity. Create a simple ritual to begin each day with intention. Before checking your phone, stand in front of a mirror. Place a hand over your heart and take 3 slow, deep breaths. Then, say one simple, true sentence out loud. "Today, I am ready." This small ritual sets an empowered tone for the day. Remember, confidence isn't a gift. It's a skill developed through consistent practice. Your practice is made of small choices: to stand taller, to breathe deeply, to try one thing that scares you. Over time, these tiny steps compound, creating a foundation of self-trust. The path from doubt to belief is built brick by brick, with your own hands. It's something you build, one choice, one action, one belief at a time.